Hey everyone, Chasing Moon here, and today we have another box to open and another review to do. So we received in Galaxy Buds Live, and for those of you who are not aware, that is a new version of Samsung headphones. They announced it during their presentation of Note 20, 20 Plus, and the Galaxy Fold 2 devices. So it took me a little bit trying to open this box just because I was also trying to record and I was holding my camera with another hand. But I wanted you guys to see the box right away whenever I would get it out of the box. So here it is, a small white box that has our Samsung Buds Live, or how people like to call them, beans. They do really remind that shape of an actual bean. In the front you see Buds Live, and on the back Samsung actually mentions that the headphones will last you up to 21 hours and they have a triple mic for clear call, and also this is the first pair of Galaxy headphones that have that active noise cancellation. So we are opening the box to see what we have inside. On the top you will have the insert with a quick start guide. That paperwork usually comes in every Samsung box with either a phone, headphones, with anything. So then on the bottom part we have a small box that has your charging cord. It is a USB type A to a USB type C cord, and also you are getting a set of ear tips if you need to change them from the one that come on the headphones themselves. Now let's take a look at the headphones themselves. The box is very compact and it does say on the top Samsung powered by AKG. Samsung has been working with AKG for a few years by now. So here we have, I do have a black, Mystic Black color. There are two other colors except for this one. There's a Mystic Bronze and a Mystic White. The magnet holding headphones in place is pretty strong. As you see, I was shaking the box and the headphones will not fall out. I brought the old pair of Samsung Buds that I have just to show you guys the difference in size of the box and the headphones themselves. Now the box is more square compared to an oval form that Samsung used for the previous boxes, and the buds by themselves are much smaller from the previous versions. Now we are going to connect Galaxy Buds to a Galaxy S20 Plus. And what I am showing you now, that the case has two indicators. One is inside that shows the charge for the buds themselves, and one was on the outside which is for the case. We are opening Galaxy Wearable app and we are choosing a Galaxy Buds and pairing the headphones to the phone through the app. The process is much quicker than pairing the watch to the phone, so we are again just waiting for the pairing process being done. And now you have to agree and continue to the terms. The app shows you how to wear buds and just tells you that you are set. The first thing that you see is that you can turn on the active noise cancelling, and then the equalizer you can adjust the way you want it to be set. And then you have different touch controls that you can adjust in the app as well, or you can just block touches in general. You have three options for touch control. You have a Bixby, volume up, or to launch Spotify. And then in the app by itself you can also look how to navigate through playing the music, answering the phone call, stopping the music, declining the call. And you can also set up a Bixby voice wake up. Also here in the settings you will be able to find gaming mode for those of you who like to play games on the phone. That mode minimizes audio delay for vivid gaming sound. Another important setting is that the app allows you to relieve pressure with ambient sound, which basically prevents feeling stiffness or compression when you are not using active noise cancelling. Samsung also added Find My Earbuds. So if you lost them, you open the app, you click start, and the buds start making noise. You have options to reset and update your earbuds through the app. Last thing that I do want to mention is that headphones support wireless charging, and those of you who have S10, Note 10 on you would be able to use reverse charging and charge your headphones on the go if you need to. On a side note, half of this video is recorded using Galaxy Buds Live. Did you guys notice the difference? Let me know in the comment. Also, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.